All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here, and as you guys can see, we have an unboxing today. Now, I'm probably gonna have to pause this because I think there's some invoicing in this box for me that I don't want to show on YouTube, but I had to extend it out a little bit because the box, it came in as so big. This came to me by way of Watches of Switzerland, guys. They've been showing up in my videos as advertisers quite a bit, so I wanted to check out what they had, and this is a brand I've always wanted to look at, a favorite brand of mine, and I've never had one in the collection. So we're going to use the Benchmade. And honestly, guys, I cannot remember the number on this one to get the box opened up. I'm wearing the Langdon Davenport diver here on my wrist. And guys are always asking me about guitars. That is a Godin Fifth Avenue right there. That is my mahogany top Martin D15 Dreadnought. And over here is a 12-string Fender that I bought back in the 90s, and honestly, it doesn't get a lot of play. But those are my guitars, and for those of you that have been around the channel a really long time, you probably recognize that guy right over there, Combat Jesus, standing in the corner. But anyways, let's go ahead and talk about getting this box undone. And this little Benchmade is super sharp, so I need to be very careful with this unboxing and getting this thing opened up here. And like I said, I may need to pause it, somewhere in the middle of this, just because I think there could be some invoicing and paperwork for me in here. But I wanted to show you the way it's packaged. If you guys are thinking of picking up a watch from Watches of Switzerland, excuse the bouncing of my tripod and stuff, this will give you a good idea of it. Now I'm going to open it this way so I can kind of peek in here over the top and see. Okay, I don't see an invoice yet. That could be this here in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and move that to the side. And we have some really nice paperwork inside of here. So go ahead and pull this off. This is going to have, it looks like their Watches of Switzerland logo there on it. And inside of here, we have the box. And I'm not going to have to pause it at all. I think the paperwork is inside of that envelope that I pulled out. So guys, here we go. This, again, is a brand I've always wanted to look at. Let me adjust the camera, and we'll get this plastic off the outside, then we'll do the actual unboxing of the watch. All right, so guys, here we go, the DOXA. I've always wanted to own a DOXA watch. It's been one of those things that I've always kind of thought about. Never actually taken the plunge and picked one up. Finally did it, and guys, this is the one I've always wanted. Now, it's kind of ironic that here we go into the playoff weekend, or not playoff, but the final series between the Dodgers and the Giants. And I think you guys already know what color watch I bought here. It's kind of atrocious, me being a Dodgers fan. But let's go ahead and open it and check this one out. Now, very cool watch. Now, I'm not going to do a full review of this watch yet because I haven't owned it that long. There's my warranty card down inside of there. As you guys can see, it's dated. That's actually the purchase date. And it's crazy how fast this watch got to me. I mean, literally, practically overnight. Really cool. We'll get more into the history of DOXA, the brand, and everything like that as we do a full review of the watch. But like I said, I just want to do an unboxing of this one and show you guys what is new here in the collection. So let's go ahead and get this box open. And you guys watch my channel enough, you know I have mentioned my, holy moly, that is a ton of strap on there. Oh, this must be one of those straps you have to cut to shape. Holy moly, that is crazy. I will have to figure that out. Right, guys? That is a lot of strap. I mean, you could put that around your neck. I could wear this as a necklace right now, right? I've actually I didn't know their straps came like that. But this is a 300T Professional. If you guys don't know, the only models in the DOXA 300T series that say Professional on them are the orange dial one. This is the Dirk Clive Cussler watch, the Jacques Cousteau watch, these 300 orange dials. And I'll get into the reason why, when I do the full review of this watch, why the orange dial is the one that is the Professional model and what's so cool about it. You've got this really intricate bezel here on the watch. Really cool the way it's got the dual function for your feet, and then, of course, timing. And of course, I didn't get that right, so let's go ahead and fix that back up. But I'm going to do a full review of the watch here in just a matter of days. I need to wear it, have it on the wrist for a little bit, and definitely check it out. But nice looking piece, the 300T. Let's go ahead and see what else is in the box, if there's anything else in here. I'm kind of taken aback by how much strap is there. I'm going to have to figure out what to do. Oh, we've got a lanyard down here also, a DOXA lanyard, which is pretty cool. And then this, I'm not quite sure what that is. Maybe just some padding to keep under there and keep the watch safe. But very cool, guys. Just a very quick unboxing of the DOXA. This watch has a lot of rich history in the diving sports and water sports altogether. So stay tuned, and within the next week or so, I'll get up a full review of this one. Thanks for joining me, guys, for the unboxing. If you like the unboxing video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please do. Please do. Thanks, guys.